Hi everyone, my name is Christian Coley with Invenias by Bullhorn. I wanted to share a few challenges that I'm seeing executive search firms face and how Invenias can help solve for those challenges and ultimately help with productivity. The first is user adoption. When choosing software, it's very important to pick a software that's easy to use so that your employees are inputting data on a day-to-day basis and able to leverage that data later on. So what we did is be able to integrate with apps that you're using on a daily basis, whether that's Microsoft Excel, Word, or Outlook, as well as create a mobile app. The mobile app allows your teams to access data on the go and encourages them to input notes after meetings when they're out of the office. Second is the alignment of your internal team. From a partner down to a researcher, it's important for the whole team to stay aligned. So we created functions like project milestones and search criteria that the team can leverage while the search goes on. Third is automation. We want to cut out as much manual data entry as possible, so we helped with automatic report generation when it comes to client-facing reports, as well as leveraging past search data to increase the timeliness of your searches, delivering them faster and increasing profitability. If you want to talk about any of these challenges or learn more about Invenias, please reach out to me directly or go to invenias.com.